Hi everyone, I'm Yiping. For the NoCode AI lecture, I created a simple use case AI automation with Zapier for my personal use. Let me show you what I did for the project. I will go through three parts: introduction, motivation, and workflow to give you a brief idea. First section, introduction. For this project, I used the Google Calendar, ChatGPT, Slack, and Zapier. I used those four softwares to fulfill this project. Let me give you a brief introduction of Zapier. Zapier is a web automation tool enabling users to connect and automate tasks between diverse web apps without coding. It automatically saves email attachment to cloud storage and notifies team members via messaging apps for seamless collaborations. It schedules posts across platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn, ensuring consistent engagement with audience without manual intervention. It automatically creates leads in CRM systems from form submissions, update contact details, and trigger follow-up action for efficient customer management. And the second part, motivation, why I want to create such a use case. I have the inspiration from two aspects: my personal life and my work experience from previous company. In everyday life, I also have a lot of appointments that are booked long before the event date. So when it's near the event date, I always forgot. Is it Friday? Is it Sunday? Is it April 3rd? Is it April 1st? I always got confused. And apart from this, I also need to set reminders for irregular payments like April taxes. For example, I know I should pay property tax sometime in April, but I'm not sure which date it is. So a reminder would be nice. And third, for me, I know my friend or my family's birthday, but near the date, maybe I'm too busy, so I forget to send them a message. And for the work use, in the previous company, I found I always need to attend a lot of meetings, but only a few of them require provision. That means for most of the meetings, the only thing I need to do is sit there and listen. But just a small part of the meetings, I need to do the presentation and I need to provide a summary or something. So I need to figure those meetings out. And the emails and some of the emails I got are in Spanish because we have many customers speak Spanish. So the meeting details or the meeting date, the meeting informations from the emails are always in Spanish. So therefore, we used Microsoft Teams before. So my Microsoft Teams timetable was really confusing, with all the English and Spanish and with all the meetings overlap. I always forgot. I actually never look at them because there are too many useless things. So how I use this Zapier to make my life easier? Let me show you. First thing is I record events in Google Calendar. Like I mentioned before, for my personal life things, I simply, because I receive meeting information in Gmail, like the appointment details in Gmail, so it can automatically be added into Google Calendar. And my friend's birthday, I input them in Google Calendar manually. And for the work, it's a little bit tricky actually because we use the Microsoft emails, and those meetings were recorded into Microsoft Teams timetable. So what I did is I only pick those useful meetings, useful meetings for me, those useful meetings to my personal Google Calendar. So I don't need to look at a timetable from Microsoft, but I still know which meetings I should pay attention to. I record everything that need my attention into Google Calendar. And I asked Zapier to trigger 2 days before event because I need 2 days to do the preparation, either for my personal life use cases and for my work use cases. And I want Zapier to send summary to ChatGPT because, like I mentioned before, a lot of emails I got were in Spanish. I don't want to manually use Google Translate to translate them. Because that's why whenever I receive the email, the meeting details in email, I save them to Microsoft timetable, right? But the Spanish was saved. I don't want to manually translate them every time. So what I want to do is I want ChatGPT to do this for me. I want to send whatever I recorded in Google Calendar send to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT can translate for me. Because the Spanish part is always I always struggle with Spanish part, and for the in the Google Calendar, what I manually input in like my friend's birthday, that is always in Chinese already. But for like dental appointment, that would be, or the flight date, that will be in English. So I can translate everything to Chinese for easier understanding. And the last step is Zapier sends direct message to Slack to myself. Why I chose Slack is now I'm a full-time data science student and I use Slack for communication. But the Slack could be changed to Microsoft Teams and whatever other communication apps I will use for in the next company. Yeah, these are the screenshots for this use case. Like I made these slides on March 23rd, the Saturday. So whatever on March 25th, the Monday, will be triggered by Zapier because I said 2 days advance for the events. So from the left side, we can see it's a screenshot for Google Calendar, and I have 2 events. First one is birthday dinner with Wen, and next one is meeting with Aaron. So see what I got for on my Slack. Like the first thing is in Chinese, but it's meaning birthday dinner with Wen, and the second is meeting with Aaron. So I could know 2 days in advance that I should prepare for the friend's birthday and prepare for the meeting, whatever it stands for. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for listening.